The next step is called clave, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's look at it in detail. First, we need half a basic to prepare and half a basic to come out of the step. So we prepare 1, 2, 3. We stay in the diagonal and we start with patineta. On 5. 5, 6, 7, join. And on 1, 2, 3, 4, you come back to your place. And on 5, 6, 7, half a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it together. From the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Half a basic to prepare. We stay in the diagonal. We do patineta. 5, 6 advance. 7 join after patineta. Punta. On 8. On 1, we push back. 1, 2, 3. On 5, basic. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 1, 2, 3. Patineta. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Patineta. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Clave. Patineta. Punta. And finish with basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Clave. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Clave. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it, music. No me voy a